Guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix NBA 2K25 MyTEAM app not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now if you're having problems with the NBA 2K25 MyTEAM app here, there's a few things that you can do. So first is you want to do some basic troubleshooting first. So you want to go ahead and restart your mobile phone. Sometimes doing a simple restart can actually solve this issue, but in some cases that will not solve your issue. So what do you do next? So the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have the latest version installed in your mobile phone. In this case, you want to go and open up Google Play Store here. You want to look for the NBA 2K25 MyTEAM, and basically if you see any update button, go ahead and update it, and from then on, wait for the update to complete, and once update is complete, go ahead and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing that you want to do is you want to clear your cache. Now, how do you do that? So, in this case, you want to go to NBA 2K25 MyTEAM here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon here. And from here, you want to click on clear all data at the bottom right here. And from then on, click on OK. But sometimes if it's just clear all data here, you need to choose the option that says clear cache. We don't want to clear all of our data here. Just choose clear cache here. And from then on, just confirm and you should be good. Now, in some cases, if that doesn't work, the next thing and final thing that we can do here is to disable some settings that we have on our phone. Which in this case, you want to go to your settings here. And you want to look for a very specific one. So scroll down a bit here until you see the option for additional settings. Now from here, you want to scroll down a bit and you want to look for the option for developer options. And from here, you want to disable developer options. Sometimes developer options is the ones causing this issue. So turning it off by clicking on it in here can actually solve the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to LAN app. Thank you for watching.